Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and I'm excited to share with you today. We try to post each Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Today I'm excited to share with you one of my very favorite ways to do a project. It's called the One Sheet Wonder, and it's something that's been around for a very long time. I definitely am not the one that came up with it, but I wanted to show you my take on it. We have some beautiful Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper this year in both our annual catalog and our holiday catalog, and this is a great way to showcase that paper and to make some beautiful cards with it. So the first paper that I wanted to use is from the holiday catalog, and it's the Frosted Floral Designer Series paper from the Frosted Floral Suite. And this is the paper that I chose from there to do my One Sheet Wonder on. I think this paper is so beautiful, and there's so many colors in it and different shapes, and so I thought it would be a great one to do my One Sheet Wonder on. Now, if you're wondering what a One Sheet Wonder is, because you've never seen that before, the idea is you take one piece of 12 by 12 Designer Series paper or pattern paper, and you cut it up in a way that you can make a number of different cards. So the way I did it, I cut it so that I could make 12 different cards using one piece of Designer Series paper and some cardstock along with it. So if you want the measurements for our One Sheet Wonder, make sure you go to stampinjill.com and we'll have a blog post that we'll link to below, and you can see the measurements for that. But I wanted to show you the cards that I came up with using this beautiful Designer Series paper. One of my very favorite things about this paper is, and I hope that you can see this in the camera, it has this pearlized shine to it, and it is so pretty. And this is what the other side looks like. So I did some cards in this side and some in this side, and let me just show you what those look like. Here they are. I'll just kind of lay them all out here for you, and I tried to do all sorts of different layouts and sizes and the two different sides. I added this beautiful gray granite ribbon to, I thought it paired really nicely with it. So as you can see, I have all sorts of sayings on here. I have different layouts, and you get a variety of different cards. The stamp set that I used was this Friendly Expressions. This is one of my very favorite stamp sets from the annual catalog this year because it has a little bit of everything, and it's really cute. I love the font in it, and it has different sizes of sayings, and I just love it. So this is the one I chose. I have to tell you, I sat down and did this project in less than an hour. I got my stamp set. I got one color ink. I used the Blackberry Bliss ink and my ribbon, and I sat down and cut it and stamped it and put them together in less than an hour. A great way to get a ton of cards in a short amount of time. So One Sheet Wonder is the best. Another awesome time to use the One Sheet Wonder is Christmas time. It's not Christmas yet, and I know what you're thinking. Don't think about Christmas until after Thanksgiving. But sometimes we have to if we want to get our Christmas cards out on time. So I thought, how fun would it be to order a pack of Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up, because you know Stampin' Up's paper is always the best, and to start your Christmas cards right now. So for my Christmas cards, I decided to use the Festive Farmhouse Designer Series paper from the Festive Farmhouse suite in the holiday catalog. I love this plaid, buffalo plaid print that is so in right now. And so I chose this for the cards that I wanted to show you. And then on the back is just a really pretty mossy meadow green with a little stripe in it. And I thought, how cute. Those could make so many cute different cards. So let me bring those cards in. And again, I used the same cut from my One Sheet Wonder, which again, you can go to stampinjill.com to our blog, and you can see what those measurements are. And you can make all sorts of cards for your Christmas cards. And it's kind of fun because you're making all sorts of different ones. You can give different ones to different people, and they'll think you're like the most amazing person on the planet because you made all these cards. Anyway, so let me show you this paper that's so cute. This is the Festive Farmhouse paper. You could use, obviously, all of these sheets in your creating and make such cute cards. Look at those. So 12 sheets of paper come in each pack, and you could get 12 of these cards from each sheet of paper. That's 144 cards. That's your Christmas cards done, and way easy and fast. So I did the math for you. If you got 1 pack of designer series paper, which is $11, you got 3 packs of cardstock. I did 3 different colors because I like the variety. You could choose whatever colors you wanted. I did the cherry cobbler, the gray granite, and the mossy meadow that's in this paper. If you got 3 packs of that paper for $25.50 for the 3 packs. And then I also used this adorable cotton twine that goes with that Festive Farmhouse suite as well, and that's $8. So if you buy those 3 things, you would spend $44.50, and you would have 144 cards to send out to all of your friends on your mailing list, and you could sit down and cut it, and it would be way quick and easy and fast, and your friends would think you're amazing. And then I also added some of these cute galvanized buttons on here. You could add some accessories. You could get some envelopes with them too, and you would have all of your Christmas cards done like that. So I hope that you'll give this a try, the One Sheet Wonder. Again, make sure you go to our blog, stampinjill.com, and you can see all the measurements for our One Sheet Wonder. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure you give our video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.